The single greatest challenge facing small business owners today is getting their hands on the startup capital and additional financing to support their ongoing growth. This is where strong business credit scores make the difference. It may come as no surprise that a primary reason for over 50% of small businesses failing is the lack of access to business financing and credit. This is a direct result of most business owners never taking time to build the business credit scores required to get approved for the financing that is so critical to growing their business. When it comes to being approved for business financing, the experts agree. You must establish strong business credit scores that are completely separate from your personal credit scores. Entrepreneur magazine says you should differentiate your personal credit from your business credit. The Wall Street Journal reports, lenders check your company's credit reports to see if they want to do business with you. Wells Fargo Bank, one of the largest business lenders in the nation, states, the longer you delay establishing business credit, the longer you delay taking advantage of business loans. There is another big mistake that almost every business owner makes. When most business owners start their business, they collect up whatever money that is available from savings, personal loans, or friends and family, and place that money directly into their business bank account and start spending. That same amount of money could have been placed with one of our member banks who would have issued a dollar-for-dollar business line of credit that reports to the business credit agencies. This one extra step puts your business on the radar of most other business lenders and credit providers who know how difficult it is to get approved for a bank business loan. There are many more common mistakes that business owners make in trying to obtain credit and finance their business. We have created a proven system that helps you avoid those mistakes, build strong business credit scores the fastest possible way, and obtain the financing for your business. First, we quickly guide you through the 20 compliance items that most business lenders require for approval. If even one of these items is missed or incomplete, your application may be declined. Next, our system walks you step by step through the process of properly building business credit scores that are completely separate from your personal credit. There are over 500,000 companies extending credit to businesses, but less than 6,000 of those report to the business credit agencies. Inside our system, you will have access to the largest collection of vendor credit lines, business lenders, and business credit cards that do not show up on your personal credit and report only to the 3 main business credit agencies. Our system is data integrated with the business credit reporting agencies so you can track your business credit building progress in real time. In our system, your business will be able to obtain at least 5 vendor lines of credit and 3 business credit cards so that you are able to build strong business credit scores and gain access to financing that otherwise wouldn't be available to your business. But we don't stop there. Our system also provides you with a business finance advisor who will assist you in applying for business loans and obtaining credit with the right organizations. We encourage you to get started today. The sooner you start building strong business credit scores, the sooner you will get the financing you need for your business to be successful.